When it comes to deciding between two prominent tools, the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs. One is a crypto trading platform, ideal for those seeking to execute trades and manage their portfolios, while the other is a tool designed for tracking decentralized market data, providing real-time insights and in-depth analysis. For individuals prioritizing trading features, the crypto trading platform is the better choice, offering a range of features including portfolio management and execution, making it particularly suited for active traders. On the other hand, for those requiring detailed market data, the other tool is more suitable, as it provides detailed charts, token analysis, and price tracking for DeFi projects. The trading platform offers a more structured and user-friendly environment, including training resources, whereas the market data tool offers a more complex interface, geared towards deep analysis. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preference. If a simple trading experience is preferred, the crypto trading platform is the better option. But for in-depth market tracking, the market data tool is superior. The decision, therefore, depends on whether you are looking for a trading platform or a tool for real-time market data analysis, as both have their unique uses and benefits.